you'd have been in the building maybe three weeks. As if by magic. I want to introduce you to a very, very special young lady. She's in year 7, the first year 7 to entertain us. So could you please give Isabella a huge round of applause as she sings Alex Warren's Ordinary. Yes, go for it. A huge round of applause, please. Thank you.
They say the holy water's watered down. This town's lost its faith. Our colors will fade eventually. So if my time is running out, day after day, we'll make up my name, my masterpiece. Oh my love. I take one look at you, you're taking me out. The ordinary. I want you lay me down to dead and buried on the edge of your night, staying drinking your vibe. The angels up in the clouds are jealous, no we found surface around. The ordinary, you got me kissing the ground, it's sanctuary. Shining me with your touch, oh Lord, we tell me to dust. The angels up in the clouds are jealous, no we found. Hopeless hallelujah on this side of heaven's gate. Oh my life, how do you breathe and take my breath away? It's all to pray with the sculptor of clay. Oh my, take me out, you're an iron. I want you lay me down to dead and buried on the edge of your knife, staying drunk in your vibe. The angels up in the clouds are jealous, knowing we found something so out. The ordinary, you got me kissing the ground, be a sanctuary. Shadow me with your touch, oh Lord, return me to dust. The angels up in the clouds are jealous, knowing we found something so heavenly. I live in ecstasy whenever you're next to me. Oh my mind, my rose are black and white until I saw your light. I thought I had to die to find something so out the ordinary. I want you laying me down to a dead